Here we are at Unit 303 at the Bridges, and this is a 5-1 floor plan, 665 square feet. Just off the front door, you come to your bedroom, which has a very large closet. It covers one whole wall, so it has triple doors. All of your this bedroom is actually the largest of all of our one-bedroom floor plans. Will easily fit a king-size bed. You have a sliding barn door that makes space saving even better. And then you'll have your ceiling fan as well. So you can actually have a sitting room or desk in your master bedroom as well. Then straight ahead is your bathroom. We have nice cabinetry in the bathroom. And then just to the left of the entry door, we have a closet, coat closet, which this is where your modem and router panel is located. So you have your own modem and router. And this is our open floor concept. So this is your kitchen, living room, dining room area. And very spacious. You have behind that white panel is your heating and AC unit. So you control your own heat and AC. You have nice cabinetry, a good appliance package. You have an ice maker in your freezer. You have a garbage disposal, a dishwasher, microwave. And then you have a great view from your patio door. So that's the Mississippi River. We'll step out here onto your deck. Oop, I locked the door so I'm not in it. And you also have a pool view of our courtyard area. Our hot tub is still open. We're hoping to keep that open all winter. Pool, of course, is closed. Then as you can see, you get a glimpse of our new bridge on the edge there, and then the river. And Illinois is just across the river. So this is your apartment. I hope you're looking forward to joining us soon.